To export contacts on Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, you will need to open the Contacts app on your device. Next step is to click on the three dots right here, and then you can navigate into the settings. Look for the option called Export Contacts, and then you'll be able to export all of your contacts right here and this is the thing that you may see different options on. So in this case I have internal storage, which means I will export all of my contacts from the phone into internal storage as a file. If you have a SIM card inserted, you may see a SIM card and different accounts and etc. So pick whichever option where you want to export those contacts and then hit the export button. That way, as you can see, it just created contacts.vcf file on my phone, and that is how we can export those contacts. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.